Hi, Happy New Year. It's 6:19 a.m. Getting ready the chicken. So I bought chicken legs yesterday down the street for like $4. I got 6. I'm making 4. So I have to do the cat food. So I got carrots, string beans. This is squash. My squash. Remember all that squash? I got a lot more. So, cats are getting this. Gonna put this in the oven. And then I'll talk to you later because I have something to say about all the good people that I see every day and I love them and they're wonderful. So God bless. I'll catch you later. Gonna make my cat food so they can eat by 8 o'clock. It's 6:20, 6:30, whatever. Have a happy new year. Blessed, healthy, prosperous, and happy. All right, I'll catch you later. Bye. Bye bye.